Hey everybody, welcome back to the wood shop. This video is going to be a tool review. You can see I've got sitting here this Hyper Tough Random Orbital Sander. Now, the reason we went out and got this is because our Bosch sander that we've used for about 4 years now started flinging the discs off. The hook and loop pad on the bottom of it is wore out. It won't hold on to the sanding discs anymore. So we went out and we ordered this to have a backup sander, and we need it right now because we got a lot of sanding to do. And when our other sander is down, we'll be able to use this. We've got some pads on order for it, so until they come in, we have one for now.
That's right. Time is valuable. You know what they say, time is money. And we've got a certain window that we'd like to finish up a project in. If you want to see the project that we're currently working on, click up here. Working on a set of nightstands, and we've got a lot of sanding to do, a lot of burn marks on some white oak we need to take care of. So we're excited to see if this will do the trick.
As of the time of this video, this is right at 20 bucks at Walmart, 19 something. So you can check it out. We're going to go ahead and test it. We'll unbox it first and we'll test it. We'll see if this will get the job done. The filter looks like. Our sander looks like the instruction booklet's got some sanding discs with it. Looks like different grits.
Ooh, that looks good.
That's a lot better. Our other one's wore almost slick.
Looks like it came with a 60, 80, and 120. So let's find that 60 and get a really good burnt piece of wood. So one thing I noticed right away that is different about this, our other sander has a filter box that will collect all of the dust. It also came with this little attachment, so I don't know if you could hook a hose up to it.
That's probably what that's for. 1.25 inches. That'll fit a Shop-vac.
So we can try it both ways and see what we think.
Alright, looking good so far. And now, I believe we're going to try and hook it up to the Shop-vac here. These, the filter and the Shop-vac adapter have a twist lock, so it holds it in place. And this is an 1.25 inch Shop-vac outlet, so you have to use the smaller, unless you have an adapter for your bigger Shop-vac hose. Luckily we have the smaller Shop-vac, and the hose on those fit that just right. So we'll give it a shot with the old shop vacuum and see how that works. Well, there you have it. It's the Hyper Tough 2.5 amp random orbital sander from the Wal-Marts, and it does what it's supposed to do. It sands.
It sure does. Now, this burn that we just worked on, this is one of the more badly burnt pieces. This is a leg that goes to a pair of nightstands that we're working on. And as you can see, the burn is gone. So we had 60 grit on this and it worked just fine. We're going to keep on working on all the pieces that go to our nightstands and progressively work up through the grits. Like we said earlier, our Bosch needs a new pad. So we've ordered some of those off Amazon and we get those in. We'll have 2 sanders, which will be great because we can both work at the same time. But until then, this is our backup and I'm sure it'll do the job.
Now there is one thing that's probably better on the Bosch than this one, and that is the grip. The grip on this one I think is a little bit wider and it's not as soft. So I can see maybe using this for a long period of time, maybe it would hurt your hand a little bit more than the Bosch does, but you know, other than that, it works just fine.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below so you never miss a video, and as always, we thank you for watching. Happy woodworking!